Hello and welcome back to a tutorial where today I'm going to show you how to mine Monero. There are a few things you're going to need. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to install xmrig. Don't worry, I'm going to have the link to that in the description. To download that, so let's just find it. Here it is, xmrig. So you're going to want to download this. So you're going to press on the download version for whatever, press the download button for whatever version you're on. So you're on Windows, download Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, Mac. So I'm going to download the Windows version because I'm on Windows. So let's just download it. Might take a second, and you can see it says dangerous file, so Chrome's blocked it. If we go to Control J, we will then have to press keep dangerous file and keep anyways, and then it will start downloading. So there we go. So I have already downloaded this, as you can see here. No, wrong folder. I have already downloaded this. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to have to extract it. So you're going to go to right click, extract tool, and extract. So I'm just going to replace these because I've already done it. There we go. So let's open this up, and you can see we've got a config file, and we've got the apps, and here everything is. So what we're going to do, if we started mining this now, it will just donate all the mining to the person who made this software. So we're going to have to edit the config file. Now this can be daunting for beginners. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to use a website that will help do it for us, which is the config wizard. So we can create a new config. First we're going to add our pool. You can use any pool you want. So I'm just going to use the one I've got the most experience with, which is mine XMR. And then you have to type in your wallet address. Give your worker a name and the location of the server you want to connect to. So I'm just going to stick with Europe and add pool. We then go along to backend. Now we'll select what we want to mine with. Do you want to mine with your CPU and your GPUs? So it's recommended for Monero you only use your CPU because it's not much more efficient using your GPUs as well. But if you've built a dedicated mining rig, you might as well use your GPU. But this is my daily laptop, so let's just use the CPU option. Now we're going to go to miscellaneous. So what percentage of everything we mine do you want to donate to the software of the mining software? So the minimum amount of money you can donate to the people who make it is 1%, the maximum is 99%. So I'm just going to set this to 1. You can't set it to below 0. Then we're going to go to results, and it'll give us this config file. So let's just download it, and then we're going to save it. And if it asks you to replace it, press yes. And now we're going to open up our files, open up a crypto, and then press start.cmd. Or for Mac, it will be the same start script. And I will give it a second to load. As you can see, it's got a new job, and if we press C, it's made the connection. So I'm just going to give it a few minutes to start mining. Okay, so as you can see, we have accepted the job, and we've also got a new job. So if we press S, we can see the current job that we're mining and the difficulty that we've accepted it, the poolside hash rate, the difficulty, and the average time to mine. If we press H, we can see our computer's hash rate with all the CPUs and cores and the power of them. And if we keep just leaving these running, we'll mine. So here I have opened up the Mine XMR website with our pool. So if you just open up our dashboard, there we go, and you type in your wallet address, you can see we're currently mining on our CPU. We've got one worker, there we go, and now it will start mining. I have done a tiny bit of Monero mining beforehand. If we press send now, you can see we can't pay out until we hit the minimum, but mining as a pool is more efficient than individual mining. If you can get more computers mining, your rates will go up. So that is a really simple tutorial of how to mine crypto. There are more Monero. There are more efficient ways of doing it, yeah. Is this the easiest way for beginners? Definitely. So if you want to get into mining Monero, this is probably your easiest way. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this video and you want to help out, you can now buy me a cup of tea with the link in the description, or maybe follow our subreddit or Twitter. All of that stuff is in the description. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.